Yo, what is going on, guys? It is the D here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the top 12 best and free Android apps for 2022. So, let's get started. So if you use Spotify, you know the hassle of hearing ads every 30 minutes interrupting your music session. Gosh, oh man. Spotify has these stupid ads. I hate them. Well, not anymore. Introducing ad silence. So basically, ad silence just mutes your phone whenever it detects an ad on Spotify. This works by detecting the notification of Spotify whenever it plays an ad. And this app is also fully free and it's also open source. So please be sure to check it out from the link in the description box below. So if you're watching a YouTube video or reading a web page or seeing a post on Reddit and have some immediate work and you don't really want to forget to watch that video or read that web page or see the post on Reddit, well, with Nautica, you can pin a link just by sharing it with the app. And they are always visible through the notification center. But if you swipe the notification, it's gonna go away. But to pin the notification to your notification center, you can get the pro version for about $2.4 US, which I guess is kind of worth it, but again, I still guess the free version is fine. So please do check it out from the link in the description box below. So thirdly, we got Doodle Live Wallpapers. So this is a handy app if you want to find some cool animated wallpapers like the Pixel 4 wallpapers, for example. And I even like the Pixel 6 Material U collection. And some of them even sync with movements. And all of the wallpapers even adapt to the device theme, and you can disable it if you really wanted to. And you also have the option to switch to a random wallpaper design every single time the display is turned off and on. So if you want to keep a record of getting a haircut or the last time you deep cleaned your filthy phone, for example, there's an app called TimeJot. So basically, TimeJot lets you keep track of all your events. And you can even create categories and put some events into that particular one category. And you can even set on which exact date and time the event took place and add a little note to it. Personally, what I like about this app are the filters. It lets us filter events by category. So please do check it out from the link in the description box below. So Count Things from Photos is another great app to, as the name suggests, count things from photos. With this app, you've got presets for counting particular things like cosmetics, keycaps on the keyboard, or even better, coins. And that's not the end. We've got hundreds of different templates. And this app is especially useful for people who work in the medical field or the engineering field. So please do check it out from the link in the description box below. So we all know about Wallpaper Engine. It's a paid app to get cool, live, and moving wallpapers on your Windows PC. Well, the same app has been arrived to Android, and surprisingly, it's free of cost too. As I assume they're already earning enough with their desktop app, and it's got a huge variety of wallpapers. And my personal favorites are Techno, Neon Sunset, Razor Vortex, Earth Parallax, and the Dino Run live wallpapers. And some wallpapers even respond to the touch, like the Dino Run wallpaper, for example. And you can even set an FPS limit for the live wallpapers, and this is a great feature to save your battery though. I personally like to set it to 25 frames per second. So if you download an image that was not even in the size that was viewable at least, well, introducing Upscaler. What at first might sound like stretching an image in Photoshop, but well, it adds an extra of 3 pixels for each pixels of some kind, I guess, but it definitely looks great compared to stretching an image in Photoshop though. And do note that this app is not going to provide any kind of extra quality boosts and improvements to your image. It just upscaled the image from almost a non-viewable size like 480p to something standard like 720p or 1080p while not losing that much of detail. It's such a hassle to find great pixel wallpapers, and it's definitely not secure to download them from a sketchy website. Well, not anymore. Introducing Pixel Wallpapers. So Pixel Wallpapers is a free and open source application that contains a huge variety of pixel wallpapers, which looks pretty darn sick. And there are even some unofficial community-based wallpapers too. And what I like the most are the Pixel 4 wallpapers. Unfortunately, this app is not available in the Google Play Store due to obvious copyright issues, but it's available at GitHub, which is linked in the description box below. So if you are a non-YouTube Premium user, you don't have the ability to turn off your screen and play any video or music videos in the background. And you'll definitely not be able to save battery from that. Well, not anymore. Introducing Black Screen. So Black Screen is an app that allows you to turn off your screen while still playing anything in the background by tapping this little lock icon. And the lock icon is mobile anywhere you want to though. And once you have to turn your screen back on, you can just tap on once on the display and hit unlock. All you have to do to set up this app is grant the app permission to appear on top and just turn it on. And you can even set it to act as an always on display though. So if you want to save notes in a snap of a second without even opening any app, I recommend One Swipe Notes. So One Swipe Notes lets you add notes instantly by swiping that little green line. To create a note, just simply swipe that little green line and then type in whatever note you want to. Now let's click on that add button, and now you could see that a note has been successfully created. You can even copy the text contents in a note or even edit them. All you have to do to set up this app is just to grant the app access to appear on top. Once done, you just want to click on that little hamburger menu and tap gesture settings. Now here you just want to turn on the one swipe gesture option. And you could notice that we've got a lot of settings here to play with, like changing the size, thickness, and opacity, for example. And to unlock the position and color settings, you have to buy the pro version, but still I guess the free version is fine probably. So if you all receive a notification from any social media app, like Instagram for example, and we click on it, then keep on scrolling and seeing another post and another post, and just to know that we've been doing nothing except sitting and wasting time. Well, not anymore. Introducing MindLeak. So MindLeak is a free and open source app that shows a funny gif of someone constantly staring at something whenever you use an app for a bit too long. And you can customize on which individual app you want MindLeak to trigger. And you can even set a custom time for it. It's 5 in default, but I personally prefer to set it to 30 minutes. And we also have this graph to see when there were the most number of leaks. And you can even set your own video as an overlay source too. And last but not least, we got a bonus app, and that is No Launcher. So No Launcher is not really an app because it's a launcher, as the name suggests. And recently, 5 to 6 months ago, they launched their biggest update. That is No Launcher 7. Like, look at this stock pixel looking UI. This looks sick. And No Launcher is a well-known launcher by the Android community, and it's got a lot of customization options. So if you're a Samsung user or any other non-pixel user and like the stock Android look, this is a great deal for you. And it even got the Pro version for about $5 US, which I think is definitely worth it though. And I did buy it using my Google One Google Play credit. So alright guys, that's all for today's video, so hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I just wanted to hit that like and subscribe buttons for more like this, and set that notifications to all, so you'll never miss out on any single piece of content that I upload. And also smash a comment down below if you have any queries or any ideas for my future upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye!